New products of KEYO for coming season. 5-in-1 Barrel Barbecue Grill. You just received a KEYO 5-in-1 Barrel Grill. The box is not as big as it is knockdown packing, which saves space and convenient for shipping. You open it and you find it can be used in many ways. One, turn the bottom barrel upside down. You will find it becomes a table. 2, the fire bowl can be used as a fire pit independently to provide heat for you in winter. 3, as a barbecue grill, you can adjust the cooking grid position to control the heat. If there are children joining the barbecue, the cooking height is adjustable to meet the requirements. Last but not least, it is also a wonderful smoker. Place the food layer by layer and close it. After half an hour, you can enjoy your favorite bacon or steak. Compared with the ordinary barrel grill, this model of KEYO is with more functions but more reasonable price. Possessing a full set of patent and safety certificate, KEYO brand new 5-in-1 grill and smoker gives you a fantastic barbecue time. KEYO.